Dorchester County deputies say they're finding unique ways to connect with kids as juvenile violence becomes a growing concern. Today, the sheriff's office joined a live podcast at Summers Corner Performing Arts Center, using it as a chance to talk with kids about choices, accountability, and staying out of trouble. The podcast brought hundreds of students into the auditorium at Rawlings Middle School of the Arts. Sheriff Sam Richardson says he wants to reach with kids before behavior escalates, especially repeat offenders who may be slipping through the earlier intervention programs. The sheriff recently called for stronger penalties for repeat juvenile offenders, while community advocates say many teens are struggling with anxiety, peer pressure, and a lack of support outside the classroom. The school resource officer who hosts the podcast says these conversations are designed to humanize law enforcement and make deputies more accessible to students.
I've had several stories where I've had some interaction with juveniles, sometimes in the initial format in a negative way. What I found, though, in that engagement, when we mentored a young individual, and then we see that individual grow up, they have a family, they're successful, and a productive person in society, and they have children, and they're on a good path. So those things mean the most to me.
The sheriff says he hopes more community groups, parents, and mentors get involved early before teens make decisions that could lead to more serious charges. The podcast series will continue through the school year.